Which legendary Reddit post or comment can you still not get over? 1. This one guy was on the toilet, and he sneezed while he was taking a shit. That same moment, the power in his house went out. He proceeded to cry because he thought he shit himself blind. 2. EA's microtransaction post. Basically, they tried explaining that an $80 in-game item was for people to feel a sense of pride and accomplishment. That comment has over 600,000 down votes. 3. The dude who had a girlfriend that struggled to quit smoking, so he decided to take up smoking for a month just so he could show her how easy it is to quit. He still smokes 10 years later. She quit a long time ago. 4. There was a post a month or so ago about a girl whose boyfriend kept telling her she smells bad no matter how undeniably good she smelled. Finally, he admitted that he was just telling her she smelled bad to keep her self-esteem low enough she wouldn't leave him. Then she immediately dumped him.